like they be on some full out like I'm a nigga. Like nah, that's not how it is, bro. I'm pretty sure Trader
Oh yeah,
Hard is though.
Bailey. Yeah, I put Bailey the baddest because
Bro,
they
they be
start.
bad.
Yeah,
They be bad.
shit, bro.
Like I ain't gonna lie, that shit turned me on because you be thinking about saving the hoe.
Yeah, bro, for real. You're not wrong,
I ain't
man.
gonna lie, bro. That shit's the worst, bro.
It's crazy that you just said that. Like, that's like so relatable. Like, I'm not really into them trying to look like a dude. I don't really like that shit. But
Nah,
like,
no.
but the way that they're like I'm talking about those, like the ones we're talking about, they're like tough they're like kind of tough in a way. So like, you could just put them in their place. You know what I'm saying? like,
And
bitch, I
and
will
what's good
fucking
about
choke
them?
you.
What's good about them too is they have most of the time they have more personality
Yeah.
than normal girls
Well, I
because
don't
they
know if
deal
y'all
with
Y'all niggas
women.
in here freaky as hell.
but they're not
I don't
they're
know.
not what's the word
Freakiest.
what's the word? It's not necessarily like the more personality, but they're just like more mature in a way. Like they're not so like they
It's
don't be
because
crying.
they gotta
They
deal
don't
with women,
cry
bro.
with like over literally the smallest shit. That's the thing.
I think it's because they gotta deal with women, bro.
I
So
don't
they
know.
be like, oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, the new one, these younger ones, they just
That's not
the
tomboy. That's just
younger ones are
faggot.
like the really old ones. Like the really old like dyke lesbian shit with the butch ones. You know what I'm talking
They
about?
fat as shit.
Imagine getting your bitch hooked by a bitch. Never be me. Could fucking never be me, bro. Think about it. You was giving her dick, right? And she said, "No, I want the fake one." That means you wasn't doing what you was supposed to do. Getting your bitch took by a bitch. It's crazy. That means she was getting the real thing and said, "Nah, that's not enough. Let me go get the fake one." Nah, that hurt my ego if my bitch left me for another bitch. Damn, was I not laying wood right? No way she gonna leave me to go get some fake shit. She got the real motherfucker right here. No, yeah, that's good. No, it's good, but it's kind of crazy to hear that out loud. I ain't gonna lie. That's probably why she. That's probably why she turned gay. That's probably why she turned. That's probably why she turned gay in the first place. So you ain't hit because you ain't want to hit, or she wasn't letting you, bro. Or if you're trying to hit and she just was all right. Was you trying to hit and she wasn't letting you, or was niggas saying this was early 10th grade, like that wasn't 2 years ago for him. Nigga, bitches is fucking bro. She been fucking up for a long time now. 10th grade, them 10th grade bitches been fucking. Like they ain't just start fucking. Like 10th grade for you wasn't ain't what 10th grade was like for me, nigga. 10th grade, all of them bitches fucking. They been fucking. Yeah, she was getting. You was watching Minecraft. She was getting fucking dick down. Yeah, she definitely was getting clapped.
Like they don't got no hobbies. They just retarded. Like
This nigga Max is funny, bro.
bro, keep it a buck, bro. If your girl tell you like, oh, I like this shit, and nigga, you never see her, like, you be like, whoa, what? Like, smack this bitch across the head.
This market blowing me right now.
Nah, but that's good though. You ain't waste your seat on her. But bro, that should be a lesson to you, bro. Don't be cuffing no, bro. Don't be cuffing no hoes like that, bro. Telling you.
But they be the
Hell
ones with the
no.
personalities, though.
What?
They be the ones with the personalities.
Nah, nigga, you a bot.
I'm joking.
That nigga said.
Nah,
That
that's
nigga
what
said
my friends be saying,
personality,
bro.
bro.
Nah,
That's what
nigga,
my
he for
friends be saying.
real.
I be like, what are you talking about?
Nigga,
Bro,
hoes,
I'm gonna tell you the
nigga,
truth.
hoes do got
Women don't
personality.
got personality.
Bro, they got personality. Their personality is being a hoe. That's their whole personality.
I was about to say. I was about to fucking say.
That's their whole personality.
They whole personality,
That
literally.
nigga like whatever like him. I
Ooh.
dig it.
Don't ever let me hear that again. Hold on.
It's facts.
Max trying to
Nigga.
say he don't
Yo,
got options, so he got to take what he can get. That's what Max really trying to
that's a
say,
fact.
bro.
That's a fact, bro. Never in my life I cuff no hoe. Hell no, bro. Never, bro. Honestly, bro, if you got a hoe and you got a timid girl over here on the side that she might even not look as good, bro, just take the timid good, bro. Just like take your It's just better off. You're just better off doing that shit.
Gang, I already have a girlfriend, gang. We a
Bro,
year.
this nigga, bro,
We
why you got a girlfriend, bro?
we are a whole year and
Why do you
7
have a
months in.
girlfriend, my nigga?
Year and 7 months.
You got a girlfriend she letting you hit?
Yeah.
But why you got a girlfriend, bro? You literally like don't even know what you're gonna do. You wasting your time with a girl.
Don't listen to Max, bro. You can have a girlfriend, bro. What the fuck? Don't listen to Max, bro.
Nah, you bro.
Max,
Nah, bro.
Max sound like the nigga that said to boy, "Why you play games, bro? You're not even profitable."
Nah. But you know what's the difference, bro? If you if you experience shit early, then you be like, you gonna learn. Like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I learned in high school a lot of shit. Just like you told me like my high school is way different from your high school. It's facts. I learned all my mistakes in high school with women. By the time you get to nigga, by the time you're an adult, bro, you make these mistakes. Shit.
This market blowing me right now, bro. What do we have going on?
Yo, she white.
Nah,
You seem like a snow bunny nigga. Like,
I'm
I
everything.
ain't gonna lie.
But nah, I prefer Indian. Love me
Indian?
Indians.
Nah,
Yes,
you
bro.
different.
Feel
Gang.
like brown bitches.
Wow. Exact. Caribbean, to be exact.
Yeah, then you good, bro. Cause that's your own niche market. Cause niggas ain't going for that. So,
Yo.
I'm dead ass. That's your niche,
You
nigga.
fucking-
Like,
Yo, that's deep. Nah, that's different.
I never heard anybody say that
I never
before.
heard nobody say that either. Max trolling right now, bro. He got to be trolling, bro.
I'm dead ass. I'm telling you,
You got
nobody
your
go
own
for that.
market.
I don't know. In the US, I never seen niggas go for no Indian girls. So that's
That's what
your
I'm
niche
saying.
market.
That's what I mean. I never heard anybody say that.
Yeah, I've never heard nobody ever say that.
Bro, even Indian men don't even be saying that shit.
Right.
They be looking for white girls. Shit.
Yeah.
I don't really got like a preference.
Bro,
So it's like, feel me? Everything.
that's because it's not common in inner cities.
Everything.
You saw what?
Nah, there's a lot of Indians over here, bro. Yo,
That's
these
because it's not
niggas.
common in inner cities.
Oh,
I'm also Guyanese.
bro,
So you gotta
there's
think about
mad
it like
Indians
that.
over here, though.
Think about
I'm
Indian
telling
culture,
you.
bro. Indian culture as a whole, they get fucking money. They don't live in inner cities.
I don't live in inner city. I live in suburb, bro.
You know what I'm saying? General, though.
There's mad Indians, bro. Like it's insane, bro. It's like
They're not
little
even
India
Indians,
over
they
here.
all Guyanese, bro. I bet you they all Guyanese people.
Nah, they're Indian, bro. Trust me.
I
I
put
could
bread
tell.
on that they all Guyanese people.
It's all the same to me. I mean,
Nah, don't do that. Don't do that.
Nigga, it's all the same to me, too.
Me.
Brown bitches
it's
is
all the
brown bitches.
same.
They all the same.
Oh,
There's a difference, bro.
Just like black bitches is black bitches. African
what's the
American,
difference?
African Jamaican, they all black bitches. Still black bitches.
Yeah, just like Spanish bitch is Spanish bitch,
Yeah,
bro.
exactly.
What you want me to do?
Puerto Rican, Dominican, Mexican, Cuban, they
You
all
ain't nothing
Spanish bitches.
special, nigga. Ain't nothing special, nigga. Shit.
Difference between Indian, bro. Indian and then
What's the
West
difference, bro?
Indians.
Y'all eat the same
Everything,
food.
bro. No, we don't.
Like what? Yeah,
He
eat
just trying
curry
to sound
chicken.
special and shit, bro.
I ain't trying to make it sound special, yeah. I'm just saying.
Same
There's a
thing. Same
huge
thing with
difference.
fucking the Middle East, bro. Well, not all of the Middle East, but Arab, fucking Afghan, nigga, they all the same thing, nigga.
Yo, bro, in my gym, bro, there's mad Indian niggas. Bro, it stinks so bad. Yo,
Yo, you wild.
no, nah. I'll say the truth, nigga. Yo, bro, I don't know. These niggas do not wear deodorant. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, cause your mom teach you to wear deodorant like very early, right?
Yeah.
Like, yo, you gotta put that shit on. Yo, these niggas dead do not wear that shit. It be pissing me off because I be like in sets, like, you breathing hard. Nigga, that shit
Yeah,
be
you
on
got
your
you
mouth.
breathing in their stank shit.
Oh my God.
Breathing
Nah.
hard.
Bro. I be wanting to crash out, bro.
Why not, dude? Just go ahead. Just tell him.
Nah, but chef, why do Indians do that?
Do what?
Straight up. Why they
Like
don't
I
wear
said, bro,
deodorant?
we're different. Like I don't know why Indians do that. Like
I thought you
obviously,
said you was
like
Indian, nigga.
I am. I'm not that kind of Indian. I'm West Indian.
Bro, still though,
Bro, this nigga
that
getting me
applies
tight,
that
bro.
applies to everybody. Like a
Yo,
lot of cultures stink. Majority.
Nigga, white niggas be stinking, bro. I
For real.
swear.
White niggas stink, they smell like wet dog. African niggas be stinking. So like
Hey, I smell good, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
it's not even the culture, it's the hygiene for that person or how they was brought up.
but
I
it's
always
but it's every
got
time with
deodorant
every
and
nigga.
Bro,
fucking
no, it's
like
not. I
spray
know
shit.
Indians that don't stink, bro.
I'm just saying from what I've seen over here, and bro, this shit is packed with Indians. Bro, when I go to the gym, I'm telling you, bro, like I go with my boy too, and he's black, and he be saying the same shit. Like,
Y'all niggas
bro,
just racist. Fuck it.
That
I'm
ass.
not,
That's just
I'm not
racist
racist.
about for you.
Bro, when I used to work at Drexel University, there was a lot of Indian niggas in there as students that I was cool with and shit. Them niggas didn't stink. So not all of them Indians be
I'll be
stinking,
real.
bro.
Black people don't really smell bad. The only thing is like a lot of them like it's just their breath. Like they don't brush their teeth. But like in general, they don't really be like
It
like
depends
if they're
on like where you're
sweating and
from,
shit.
though.
Like you don't really smell it. It's just weird. Like when I play basketball and shit. Like yeah,
No,
like you're
I
outside.
didn't hoop with some sweaty niggas in basketball that was fucking stink. Like they stink so bad, I'll let them spark. I don't even want to play defense.
Damn, yo, that's
Bro, it only
crazy.
be like the fat ones that be stinking, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
Bro, I hate
yeah,
when
yeah.
niggas take their shirt off, and them niggas just mad sweaty. Like, god damn.
Yo,
Like, what
that's
is
true, man.
that?
Because I don't really sweat
I be,
like that.
I
I
be
don't know
sweating a
why, but
lot. I be
like I'll
sweating a lot.
sweat, but it won't be like that shit. Like they'll literally like their whole wife beater is just wet.
That's low key me. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. If I got a
I be
white, if I got a
sweating a
white,
lot.
if I'm hooping with a white beater on, my whole white beater will be wet. But if I got a t-shirt on, like my t-shirt wouldn't be drenched. I be seeing,
Yeah,
I
my
know niggas
t-shirt
that
will
whole
never be
t-shirt be
drenched.
dripping in sweat. Like that's nasty.
That's OD. What are you doing, bro?
That's nasty.
How are you producing more
Like,
water than
nigga
me?
fuck around, take their shirt off and wring it out.
Yeah, that's disgusting. Yeah, I
That's
never sweat like
nasty.
that. I don't know why, bro. It's not from lack of trying. Like it just don't happen like that. I don't know why.
If I just got a white beater on though, my white beater definitely would be drenched in sweat.
Yeah,
But a t-shirt is
I'll just have
a
my
lot
shirt off.
thicker, so it's
Bro.
great. That's great.
Yo, this candle looks good on YM. I don't know on NQ though.
Bro, this shit is playing, bro.
My whole thing is, bro, like niggas that just be coming
I
to
needed
school
to
that
pump
stinks,
here.
bro. Niggas be acting like they got no time in the morning to take a shower, bro. They be throwing me, bro.
Yeah, that's gross.
Bro, just get a deodorant. But you know what gets me tight? Niggas, they really buy the shit that, oh, it says 24 hours. Nigga, you gotta reapply. You gotta
That
reapply,
ass.
bro.
Niggas
Like,
be
it ain't
gripping
24
onto that
hours.
24 hours, bro.
If you're going to the gym and all that, yeah, bro. Like if you're just chilling, then like you're good. But yeah, if you're outside and running around and shit, you gotta put it back on, man.
Well,
In my opinion.
after the hoop session, anyway, you should be getting in the shower. To be honest.
Definitely.
So yeah, you should be putting it back on because you should have washed
100%.
up after that.
Yo, this shit pumping out. That's sweet.
Especially if you got somewhere to go after that too. Like if you're going to the gym and then you go to the crib and you got somewhere else to go later, don't just change your clothes and shit. You then go back outside. Bro.
Hell
You should
no.
be.
Cause that's just like you're just
No,
dirtying the new clothes you just put on, bro.
if I go to the gym, whatever, and I got shit to do in the crib, I don't got shit to do. I won't get in the shower and be like, if I want to play the game, I'm gonna sit down and play the game on it.
Yeah, I mean, I'll rinse off. Like, I'll rinse it off if, like, you know what I mean. But I'm not gonna like, especially if I already took a shower, like, wash my hair and shit. Like, if I don't have anywhere else to go,
No signs of.
Max, you in the bar or no?
Yeah, I was about to get stopped, bro.
Yeah, it got kind of close to mine, but I was good. You got
But
your
I
stop
need
at the low of that wick, that
pretty
big,
much.
yeah.
But I needed to go. I'm probably a little hard, but right now I needed to pump. I don't want it to come back.
Yeah, it looks good, bro. I think we're gonna hit the next.
I needed to at least hit a 1-to-1. I'll take partials out.
I think we're gonna go up to the next like orb line. That's at 371. That's where max TP's at.
I can't see shit, dude.
Yeah, that pump was good just now, dude. If it closes up above that high, we print. Yo, I didn't even get a trade yesterday, man.
And the orb line, that shit is all the way up there.
Yesterday,
Yeah, that's what I needed.
I took the longs, but I took it at the wrong spot, bro. She got me tight.
Nah, I knew that shit was gonna happen with that fake shit. It like went back down. I knew that shit was gonna happen, so I was like, "Nah, I'm not getting."
I'm gonna show you my screen. I
Sure
think I
enough,
deleted it,
bro.
bro. But that shit
Bro, it
pissed me
almost
off.
stopped me.
Hmm.
I almost got stopped
Talking about yesterday?
right now.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if I
I'm
can
about to
bring
hit
it
my
up
T.
to
I'm
that.
almost about to hit my TP.
That shit came back into the order block. That's what blew me, bro. I was tight.
Did
She
you get
came
back
back
in or
into this
no?
order. No, I was done for the day. That was my 2 trades. I wasn't even on the charts.
Yeah,
So let me see.
I
I
looked
don't know
at
why it's
them,
not
but
showing.
there was just never really a good setup. I mean, there was one, but it wasn't really on a queue though. It was on.
This is
What
me
is
right
it?
here, bro.
Oh,
Price finally came back into this hole right here. I got in at the top. I got stopped out, of course, but it came back down into this order block, and price just ran. I was like,
yeah.
bro, we can't be serious.
That's what I mean though. Like on that sweep, like bro, you see that candle, like that hammer candle is insane. Like I would have,
This one,
yeah, like I would have tried
bro,
again.
I wasn't even like at the charts. I was in my room.
Yeah, well,
Like, I
especially,
had the
bro,
trade on
especially on that.
beforehand.
You see that when it came back down into that fair value gap
This
uh,
is down here.
after
Order
that.
block.
So after that,
Oh,
it
okay.
came up and then went right back down. Look, and then you see the gap down there,
Yeah,
right
right
there.
here.
See that shit? That's entry. That's a buy.
I just don't
But
like
I just don't trade
over.
that
I
strategy
think I
anymore.
over traded, bro. Like I think I just over. I only took 2 trades this day, but I
Mhm.
didn't want to take another one because I think I lost like 400. So I made 200 on this one.
Mhm.
So overall, I was already down 200.
Oh shit. Yeah. Okay.
So I was kind of like, yeah, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
Bro,
I
we need
got
this
you.
high taken right now. This shit
Yeah.
get taken with some power.
Some power.
I
I
got
took
the
a
power.
trade this morning.
On AQ, it did.
Took a trade this morning. I got
On
stopped out.
on
I go
yeah, bro. We did. We took it.
On
It
US
was heading
30.
to. I had my shits at
I'm
these
talking about the
highs.
new one.
But then the news 10 minutes before cooked me. Like what the hell?
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna get off for the day because I'm just let it play out. I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit TPs, man. Like it's right there.
What's
So
your
I'm just
TP?
waiting until like 1 something
the orb,
or
the
12.
next orb line.
I don't want to just hop in this
It's
trade. I
like
already like took 3.
Like
it's like 25
You
points
took 3
away.
trades. You about to take another trade?
Nah,
371. You heard?
371.
Yeah, I heard you. I
trade
heard
the
you.
1.
Yeah, it's like 26 points away.
Yeah.
Alright, but
It's more actually. It's like 30 from where we are right now. It's 26 from the high. Actually, it's
yeah,
only 20 points away from the
that's gonna be my TP too.
high. Yeah, I
Well,
mean, I
that's
don't
gonna
know
be
if it's
my
gonna play out.
partial.
I just want to see. Mhm.
It's gonna be my partial. That'll be like around 2-to-1 for me.
Damn, 2-1. It'll be
Close.
it'll be I think like 5 for me. Maybe like 4 actually. I don't know. Yeah, it's about 4-1.
You had a type stop or something?
Oh, that's on YM. Hold up. Yeah, I got tight stuff. On NQ, this shit is like 20-1. Hold on. Oh my god, bro. Did you see that candle?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
What is going on?
Like, that's what I'm talking about.
Bro,
I better not get
nah.
fucking.
Like,
I
what
better
are
not
you
get in
talking
trouble,
about?
bro, for being in this trade, man.
Nah, I better not get. Nah, bro. Better not
Yeah,
get.
it's a 6-1 for me on NQ.
They're not even saying nothing crazy on the news. They have Tesla pulled up. Oh,
They
that's the
better
bad
not be
one.
saying this some red
Not you and
Forex
that.
shit, because that's gonna piss me off.
Not you and Nas.
Yeah. But that shit was doing some crazy shit.
They're talking about getting into a place to cut rates. Rates should have
Yeah,
been cut like last meeting.
You and Nas sells or Nas buys?
Why?
buys, of course. Nah, that candle is actually kind of good though.
You think?
Because that took out a lot of trails. So I just hope it don't print now from that.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. It is what it is. I mean, I'll just let it play out, man. It's like, if I lose, this is just what meant to be.
Like I'm
Because
not
I'm
even
not
asking
even up
for a
crazy
lot,
right
bro.
now, so like, you know.
Damn, bro, that 5 minute look bad though. Damn.
5
Yo, I
minutes.
ain't gonna lie, this 1 minute needs to pump crazy.
Yeah.
I do not want that 5 minute to close like that. That's look ugly.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna come back at like 1:30 y'all's time.
Uh,
See if I get another trade later.
what do you think, Trade?
On Nas buys?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. I just
Nas
want
buys
you
to
to
work
know
to
that
tap
if
into
I could ask you, I'd go
22,180.
That's what I'm look. That's what my TP is at.
And this is a lower time frame break and retest. I don't know where you got in that, but it's a lower time break and retest of 22,100. No, a little bit deeper than that.
I'm in
22,6.
at 134.
So the break and retest started at 22.66. The possible entry for that lower time frame break and retest would have been above 22,100. So you say you got in where?
133.
133. All right, so at 133, you have another break and retest on a lower time frame chart. So yeah, it's definitely printing higher highs, higher lows on these lower time frame entries, alongside the overall high time frames being bullish. Most recent higher low on the 1 minute time frame is 22,100. Yeah, 22,100. So yeah, these buys definitely can play out. If this like my lower time frame support level at 22,135, that level hold below that low. And it looks like it's holding because we're making a new high right now. So that's the most recent higher low. It looks good to go up to 22,180.
Yo, Nas 100. You?
Now I'm just on NAS 100 with FXCM.
Uh, Should I partial out right here? What you think?
I'm not looking at it no more.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's a good partial out spot. Just because this is we can portion the previous 1 hour highs bodies. We're not portion those wicks, but we can portion those bodies. So being that we're portion those bodies, this is the start of the rejection on those on the 1 hour time frame. I guess if you want to wait a little bit longer to partial out, you can wait a little bit till 22 158. So got a little bit more points before they actually get to those bodies, but it's relatively close. And as far as a wick fill trade, it could trade all the way up to fill its previous 4 hour and 1 hour wick at 21 to 180.
I'm partialing out about all my positions.
What I don't like about the buy though is this 1 hour candle. In the first 15 minutes of this 1 hour candle, aggressive push up and no bottom wick. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
Praise the Lord. Worship Christ in it and our portions. I know I won't forget all he done.
I'll be back, bro. Go to the bathroom.
In this race that I run, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, things he has in store to the rich, for the poor. I might just close out all my position. You heard?
Yeah. I'll be back there.
Because, I was down and I made it all back. You know? From the rich to the poor, thing he has in store. All are welcome through the door. You'll never be the same when you call on Jesus' name. Oh, God I know God is alive. There's no thing. Eternal soul. All right, I'm about to be up 2% on my 50K with top one. All right. Bro, I started that challenge so bad. You heard?
I'm gonna play some Fortnite low key. I'm gonna chill.
Yo, you better pass your shit?
Yeah. I'm a little less than 1%. I mean, a little more than 1% away. I took a loss last night. It was a very, very, very small loss. Like $30. I took a buy on AU. Everything was fucking trash last night, bro. Took a buy on AU though. Had a big stop loss for about 70 pips. Came about 20 pips in drawdown. I didn't like how that 1 hour candle closed with a bearish engulfing, so I just closed that after I seen that bearish engulfing, and I got off and went to sleep. I woke up, that shit's pushed up like 50, 60 pips. I said, damn, if I'd have held stop loss, I'd have be up. But I was like, nah, it's cool. I was buying, my buys were a little premature in the first place. I was buying under resistance, and that didn't make too much sense. So I just got out that trade early for a small loss, and I didn't risk a full 1% on that trade. I risked less than that because I knew the buy was risky. I'm in GA buys again though. Relatively the same entry. They're very, very close. I think yesterday I entered at 2.09 200. Now I entered at 2.09 260. So literally just a 6 pip difference in entry. But I got a tighter stop loss this time. And this time I got an hour close above resistance now. Trying to see if it's going to hold as new support. So a little bit more confirmations than I had last night. And I do my normal risk this time. Trying to recover that loss and some more. If I hit TP2 on this,
Bro, I was getting fried.
this morning or last night.
Last night. That's why I left. I was so pissed. Like, it was gold, like, just
Yeah.
playing, bro.
You didn't go buys, right?
Yeah. But then it ended up giving me, like, half my... I took 2 L's. And then, yeah, I'm pretty sure I took 2 L's. And then I tried it one more time. Because usually what ends up happening is, with my setups, I'll be early to a setup. And then the shit ends up playing out. So I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna let it happen this time. And if I take the 3 L's, then I'll live with it. And then I won and it gave me half my money back. And then I just won now, so I'm pretty much break even. But I was getting cooked though.
Yeah, but
That shit was
I look he
tough.
didn't want to get on the chart last night. I think that GA bot I took was a little psychology kind of trade as well. Because I felt like I got out the bed, I gotta take something. Because I looked at before I got out of the bed for the London session. Hold on, I got sneeze. Before I get out the bed in London session, I look at the chart on my phone and everything looks shit, and I just don't even get up. But I'm like, damn, I did say I'm gonna be consistent with going live streaming, so I got a live stream. That's what I was thinking. But I low-key didn't want to trade anything just because when I looked at everything, I literally said out loud, everything looks fucking trash. And 100%, everything was trash. The GA position wasn't that bad though. I just took it prematurely. Everything else was trash. Gold sold off too much, so I didn't want to keep selling while it already dropped that far. I wanted to see a pullback first. Never gave it a pullback. Same thing with GA, NZDUSD, UJ, GU, EU, and GBP, CHF. Literally all of them, I wanted deep pullbacks first. Well, GJ gave me a nice pullback, but it just didn't give me confirmation entry. And it missed my zone by like 1 pip, and then went bullish. Well, not went bullish, but I had aggressive spike up. But it did miss my zone, so I never got an entry there.
Bro, you better be lit, bro, with that account.
Yeah. It's not gonna make a difference to me with as far as numbers. I'm trading the same way I always trade.
Yeah, I know. I know. I'm not saying it's gonna be different with numbers. I'm saying more like
Bigger payouts
shit.
and
You're
stuff.
gonna
Yeah.
have that, but also they're gonna give you a free one too.
Yeah. I keep forgetting. You're
Like
trying to say that. You remind me.
like bro. But yeah, but first you gotta get a payout, I think. But I don't, I don't think it'll take you that long.
It'll probably take me like a month to get a 10% payout. That's about 5K.
How long you think it'll take you to do that?
To get the 10% payout?
Yeah.
Like a month. So I'll probably get less than that. 10%. As soon as I'm allowed to request the payout, I'm going to request it immediately. Guess I'll get my refund. So my first payout will be less than that, but every payout after that, I'm only going to request it at 10%.
So on my 10K, I'm up to I'm at 250. And it's been 30 days. I think I'm eligible for a payout. You think I should take something out?
I don't think you're eligible for a payout.
Yeah, you're eligible. Minimum is 2%. You need to make 2%.
Oh shit. I don't think you should take something out, no. Because it's only 2% of 10K. That's 200. That's 200. And it's a 60-40 profit split on your first withdrawal. So 60% of 200 is basically just going be nothing too crazy for real. Not even nothing too crazy. Like it's gonna be a couple of dollars.
It'd be like 120. Yeah, that's not crazy.
But then you got to think about you got to think about the fees for the crypto exchange. So it's gonna be less than that, and whatever your trailing drawdown is, if you withdraw to that number, it's going to breach the account. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it wouldn't make sense to withdraw right now. You're just making your drawdown tighter to fail.
Yeah, that's facts.
And only for like $100. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I'm saying
Like
instant drawdown.
you think I'm trading that account way too slow?
It's not about what I think. It's about how you personally decide to manage it and what you can stomach. Do I think would I trade it like that? No. This is me though. When it comes to slowing down an account based off my risk, that I only do that when I feel like I'm losing too much. Not necessarily on the everyday approach. I want to slow down my losses. I don't want to slow down my gains. Because gaining is not going to slow you down not going to slow down the process of getting a payout. Right? The more you make, the faster you get eligible for a payout. But losses slow you down from getting a payout if you're scaling down your risk, slow you down from getting a payout because your wins become smaller. So that means you got to win more. Not only that, it slows you down from breaching the account as well. So making it so you don't breach too fast or fail too fast. But that's why the middle ground for me would be to risk normal until I feel like I'm losing too much, and then I'll go on the eco mode or the safe mode with trying not to breach while still trading. Let's meet it. I wouldn't say try not to beach. I would say more so recovery mode. That's what I'm calling recovery mode. Finally, GA. Give me out a fucking drawdown, bro. Now I just need price to push up and re-break 22.09 I could scale in there as well. It'll be a nice scaler. Yeah, I'm gonna take that scale in this. Well, I'm trading my normal accounts now as well, not just the 50K. First, I was just trading 50K because I was focused on. Now that I'm just close to passing it, I'm just back to trade all of them at the same time.
Yeah, I trade all them shits at the same time.
Another reason why I didn't trade all of them at the same time, because if I was to approach a losing streak and start losing this shit, while I trade all of them at the same time, and I end up breaching the 50K, that's meaning down 10%. That means I would have blew all my accounts all at the same time. So that wouldn't have been the best idea.
Well, you would have been up crazy on the 10K.
Yeah, I'd be up like 900. I ain't really need the money. I ain't tripping. Not to be no little like that. Like I got some buffer. So I thought I'll use the time wisely with the buffer and try to acquire more funding and then get back to monk mode. Let's see what ChatGPT got to say about my trade. Where's Chef go? Chef left?
I think.
He was getting clapped. Was he getting cooked? Yeah, me and ChatGPT get along, man. ChatGPT said potential scenarios a bullish continuation above 2.09450. I want to scale in at 2.09400. So that's good. Watch for volume confirmation of breakout, bearish, pullback rejection, pullback If price rejects again at 209,400, meaning my entry and breaks below 2.90600. 2.9. Oh, 2.9600. What? Oh, break below 2.09100. That's where my stop loss is at. So he says that's where sellers regain control. Below 100, that's my stop loss is at. Yeah, that's cool. Short term. Pull back, recovery test. Point. Two levels to watch, upside, downside, and two stop loss, TP, essentially. Yes. Okay, ChatGPT, we're on the same side today. Well, we always on the same side. But we in agreements with the entry. So it's that 1140 candle down waiting for that 1140 candle closure. Wait a minute, refresh that.
You streaming right now?
Yeah.
Damn. Ah. Whatever, I'll be back.
All right.
Oh,
Yeah.
bro. It's gonna be like this the whole summer, bro.
You talking about the weather?
Yeah.
Shit, well, catch me outside that motherfucker. I
Bro,
get
is it like super like it's more hot than usual?
when I get too hot, bro, I start having panic attacks and freaking out and shit. You can catch me out there. You stay right here under this AC. Nigga, I went to the store yesterday to get some snacks before I went to sleep. I waited all the way to 8 o'clock to go to the store, and nigga, I went outside. I was still hot, ready to crash out. I said, "Oh no, I need to get the fuck back in the crib right now." Come on, 5 minute time frame. Give me a nice exposure right here, bro. Bitch.
What pair?
GBP AUD, same pair I traded last night.
What is it, boss?
Yep. Got a minute left in this 5 minute closure. Minute 30. For a scaling position. If you don't give me closure, I'm just not gonna scale in. Because I don't even have to scale in, to be honest. My first position is still profit, so. My first position for my first structure target is already a 1 to 2.5. That's my first structure target. So that is a great structure target. As far as risk to reward. Actually, it's a 1 to 2.7. My second structure target is a 1 to 5. I might have a nice ass runner on this trade. Let's see, I lied. My first structure target is a 1 to 1. Then my second is only a 1 to 2.8. Then my third one is that 1 to 5. So I'm taking scaling right now, though. So
Yo, you be walking to places?
huh? If I'm going down the street, yeah.
But I'm saying, since you can't drive, like, how do you get to Jersey?
Uber.
Oh, you just call it Uber?
Yeah.
Man,
That should be like $40, $50.
so you be Ubering everywhere?
Yep. I got one more year left in this probation. That'll be straight. Just one more. I think I get off probation next May.
You gonna get a car?
Yeah. Hold on real quick. I'm about to record this. What's going? Hello, sir. I am back. How are you? What's good, ASPTG? I wasn't reading chat room. My bad game. Let me record this real quick, though. All right, so my first position is now finally coming to some profit. Looking at this break and retest, We have a lower low, a lower high, a lower low on a 5-minute time frame. We have a shifting structure on a 5-minute time frame with a 5-minute candle closing above this level of resistance here. This minor level on a 5-minute time frame. This is where I decided to take a scale up position. Based off of the scaling, I have a kind of aggressive tight stop loss below the current 1 hour candle. Not necessarily what I normally would do, but it's definitely below the current 1 hour candle. Price is definitely pushing up right now. I'm looking to target overall this level of resistance all the way up here. So let's see how this trade plays out. But yeah, make it our formation. I want to get an Alpha Romeo. Oh, for Alpha Romeo, that's not even a white in car. Nah, not even a white car. The real reason why I like that car is just for the fucking nose of that bitch. Bro, that nose just looks so luxurious. Well, that's not even like a crazy price. I just like the fucking grill on that bitch. The grill just looks so clean. That shit like 30K. For like you get a useful for like 30K. Good mileage. I see. Looking it up right now. Well, you can get one for less than that. You can get a 2018 model for like 16K, 17K. Yeah, so it's gonna be like 18K. Really like 20K after taxes and shit. I should have just got this the first time instead of the Infinity that I got. My Infinity was 20K. No. I got my I got mine straight from my bank. So like I didn't have to go through the process of the dealership trying to find me a loan or nothing like that. I wasn't there with a cash. I went into the bank with a cashier's check. That's the best way to do it, but you could if you want to refinance your car, but refinance it through your own bank rather than trying to go through a refinance agency or something like that. That's what I would do. Unless you got just straight shit poor credit, I always go through the own bank for loans. Being though your own bank already know what kind of money you got getting direct deposit to your account and all that kind of stuff. Whatever, you already got the relationship with your own personal bank, so you don't gotta have to go submit and pay stuff and then like feel me. Your own bank already know what kind of person you are and if you pay bills on time because you got direct deposits and shit coming out your shit every month on auto pay, things like that. So it's easier to get shit from your own bank rather than it is. You get better rates from your own bank rather than you would get it from third parties. Let's go. GBPAD pushing. Let's go. Yo. Recover that last trade. All right. What time NG said he was coming back, bro? Yeah. Yeah. I'm in a GA position from what time did I enter this? 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Then I got a scale in right over here at 11:40. What? This how you take a recovery trade, bro. W recovery trade in the chat. Let's go. Oh. No. Well, last night I did. But I would just recover that loss and more with this partial that I'm about to take off right now. I'm not even at full TP yet, but this partial I'm about to close is more than what I lost. 42nd part. All right, Price just took out our. Let me start all over. All right, we just hit TP1. I'm gonna partial out, close, take some partials off in this first position, and look to hold the rest of the trade until we come all the way up to hit my full target, which is all the way up here for about a 1 to 2.8, 1 to 3 risk reward for that position, and then my scaling it will be 1 to 2.3 risk reward, totaling out to be 2.3 about 1 to 5 risk reward after securing partials. And I'll catch y'all at the end of this trade. Pookie link, bow. Pookie link, bow. Oh, that's on top of my head. Put my partial close, modify position. If this trade hits my second target, I will be done this challenge. Out of the bathroom. Actually, I don't even need to hit my second target because I got a scaling and I risked 1%. Actually, no, I didn't. The scaling didn't. I couldn't risk 1%. It didn't let me. So I think 75% to the way to my second target, I should be done. I should hit 10%. Nigga, my shit just went black for a second. Saber. Nigga, chef came back. My chef in here, he on mute right now. The chef in the call, he just on mute. Or is this shit glitch? Oh. I'll play some chess on my phone, bro. It's baking outside, ain't it? Yeah. I can fucking stale hot Cheetos, bro. No way. I just opened his bag. How is his bag stale? Let's just say August 2025. How is this bitch stale, bro? Fuck. This just pissed me off. Damn. Good go. Good go. Finally on making a retracement. Actually, I'm gonna close more of my position right here at TP1. Fuck it. I don't gotta pass it. Such a bitch right now.
You got work. You got work.
The Discord phone? I don't know. Yeah. And the used to shit, just so I could play Fortnite. I don't know how to play that shit. I knew how to play when I was a kid, but it's been a long time. I think my godmom had bought some poker chip set when I was younger, and she showed me how to play. But I forgot.
It's not even done. It's not even done.
Let's watch some Netflix. That's enough.